Buenos días, welcome to Casas Benali. Now we're on the front of Casas Benali. This from a rich and Arab hamlet. They used to live a small community here, which were living self-supported. They had their own church, their own school, even their own cemetery. We converted this beautiful hamlet into a place for eco-accommodation. As you can see, in Spain the weather is mostly beautiful, which gives you the chance to be outside as much as possible and to enjoy your lunch or dinner or breakfast outside, like in one of these spaces in the garden. You can cook yourself. We have beautiful kitchens inside the house, or you can use our catering service, for example our Buddha bowl buffet or some other organic ecological food. This is the shared terrace of Benali with the most beautiful views. It's a perfect place to enjoy here your breakfast, lunch, dinner, but also in the late afternoon when it's getting a bit chilly, maybe in winter. Then you enjoy this place with the wood burners, the atmosphere, and the stunning views. Is in the natural park of the Sierra de Enguera, which is a park with amazing hikes. Hikes from just over 30 minutes to about 3.5 hours. And it's very diverse. You will walk into the forest, you will see little pools, and also, for example, this beautiful cave, which is a perfect spot for meditation, for doing some morning yoga, or just having some almuerzo, as we call it, like having a little snack to continue your hike. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Martina, and you can contact us always when you have any questions. Hopefully we see each other in Casas Benali.